Thank you so much, guys, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you have subscribed. And without wasting our time, today we shall be looking at D major scale. Last time we talked about C major scale. Right now we are going to know how to find D major scale on piano. Let me play a bit. D major scale, it will start from D. Let's start here. So let's use this octave. And we are going to play it without transposing anything because we need to learn about how to play D major scale on piano. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. And you remember the figuring we said is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to start to find when you find the two black notes, the center one, this is what is called D major. D major. This is the D major. So D major, do, 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 do. So as we say, the formula of finding a scale, we are going to use the formula of let us write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we are saying we are going to use from 1 we count tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So our number 1 or our root note is D. D. So we are going to find the D major scale. So from D we are going to count a tone. So from D we are going to count semitone, semitone is equals to tone. So our number 2 will be E. That note is called E. C, D, A, B, C, D, E. So from E we are going to count another tone. So it's semitone, semitone. We go to tone. So our next one is F sharp, F sharp. So from F sharp we are going to count, look just here, we are going to count from F sharp, we are going to count a semitone. So we are going to go down one step, semitone. So we go to G. You can write somewhere. We go to G. Then from G, number 4, we are going to count a tone. A tone. So it's semitone, semitone. Our tone is at A. So from A we count another tone, semitone, semitone is equals to tone. So another tone is on B. So from B we count another tone, so it's semitone, semitone. So we go to C sharp. And remember how we said about these two white keys without a black key at the center. You can come from here, you say this is a tone, this is a semitone. This and a semitone is only from B to C in these two white keys, or from E to F. I hope you understand. Umeshika. So from C sharp we go a semitone, we go back to a root note an octave higher. So we go back to D. So this is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. We go re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So it sounds like that. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. see that like that song. You can play a song at that scale. Mungu Mumba, Mungu Mungu. So that is what we call D major scale. So you can play it and play it and play it and practice with your you can practice it with your right and left hand. So right hand we say 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1, and our left hand we go 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, or do re mi fa so, do re mi fa so la ti do, do ti la so fa mi re do, do ti la so fa mi re do. It's good to practice with two hands because at the piano you are going to be playing with your two hands. So at every scale that we practice, make sure that you practice with your two hands, so that so right now you know two scale. If you are new here, this remember, this lesson is for beginners. We are going to start to learn piano from start to finish, and we are going to cover all keys on piano. So we started with do re mi fa sol la ti do, do ti la so fa mi re do. That is C, and then I just taught you how to play D major scale. Do re mi fa sol la ti do, do ti la so fa mi re do. So just go and practice, and remember, practice makes perfect. So do re mi fa sol la ti do, do ti la so fa mi re do, do re mi fa sol la ti do, do ti la so fa mi re do, do 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 do. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. I know now you can play this D major scale. So go and practice, and remember, here we say at King Africa TV, practice that will make you become a perfect organ player or a perfect organist. So guys, let's meet on the next video. And if you have any song that you want me to teach you, or you want a private lesson, you can just contact me. Just here, I'll have my number here. Remember, my name is Fred Moa. As always, let's meet on the next lesson, where we will be covering how to play E major scale. So thank you guys, and God bless you.